See here we are going to open the Adobe PageMaker. Okay, click here and move to Adobe PageMaker 7.0. Now the PageMaker window is opening. Okay, so now again you go File, New. So you get the document setting dialog box. Okay, click OK button. Now the page will be opened. Okay, today our topic is text block. Okay, so a text box contains the text you type. So normally text box means here you see in toolbox, this is text box. Okay, you click this and drag here. Okay, you are going to type. See, if you are typing, so in this text box you have to type. Okay, so next, if you want to delete means you have to press backspace key and go into delete the characters. If you want to type, you type it. Okay, so after finishing this, choose the pointer button. So and then pointer tool you have to click here. Okay, so if you are clicking this, you just click here and see here. In this dot you press and resizing. Okay, otherwise you press and drag here. Okay, moving a text block in one place to another place, you drag, resizing. Okay, so next one, see here you resize the text block. So next one, if you are resizing, choose again text and click here and then type same thing. Shift and arrow keys. Okay, select this and copy, Control plus C, and then place cursor here. Again you have to paste it, Control plus V. In same way, enter, paste it, Control plus V. Now you are going to select the tool. See here, this is splitting into. See here, this line is there. Okay, see here dotted line, that you have to split it. So if you are getting, you go upwards, here you get the red color symbol, that is for what is it, release the button. Okay, that is splitting a block, that is a splitting a block. Okay, is separate, this one separate, you have to split it. So next one, rejoining the block. Rejoining the block. Okay, now you move the top line to get it. Okay, this one you have to. You split that, and now that line is hidden. If you are moving this top line to like that, that will be joined. Okay, So next one, threading the test blocks and all, no need. Placing, next heading is placing the text in a frame. Placing the text in a frame. Okay. So for that, what are the steps we need? See here, click on any one frame tool from the toolbox. Click on any one frame tool. Okay. So draw the, that means what? Text in a frame. Draw a frame with one of the PageMaker tool, rectangular frame tool or ellipse frame tool, any one of the polygon frame tool, any one. Make sure. Click file and place. File, place. See, wait 1 minute. First you have to choose the any one of the this is rectangular frame tool, ellipse frame tool, and then polygon frame tool. Okay, you choose any one of them. Okay, now you choose a polygon frame tool. Okay, and then go for file and then place. You choose any one of the photos, click open. Yes, see here, that picture is opening. Okay, once again I will do it. Click polygon frame tool, place here, go to file and then open. Choose any one of the picture. And then click OK, open. Here asking cannot be formatted. Okay, choose any one of the image, like see here, you choose desert, open. Graphics will be copied into that polygon. They are asking now the polygon color is changed. That picture is applied here. Okay, if you want to type a text, means you put the text, select the text tool and put here, going to type the text. Okay, good morning. See here, size, I will be changing the size. If you are resize the polygon, you click here and drag it. Okay, again you have to choosing this. Okay, that image size will be. You click here and extend that. Okay, now that will come in one single line. You have to, if you want to, you just click and drag and keep it middle. Okay, so this is the placing text in a frame. So next one, linking frames containing text. See here, linking frames containing text. Okay, so that is I will do here now. So same way you have to choose any one of the control. Okay, and then place a text, select a text tool, keep here, you have to type it. Go to pointer and then click this one and keep here. So you just decrease your text box. Okay, and then you just move and keep wherever you want, like that. This is single word. If you need this one also you have to bring here and keep. See here, you have to decrease your text box. Okay, see here, that will be extend. You have to decrease this and particular place itself. You just keep this here. If you want, you just increase. That is splitting. You just open one by one. The line is become a big, so it will come down. Okay, now you extend the text line, that will comes inside. Okay, see here what we do. Okay, so how to save your file? So here, go to file, click save button. Okay, click save button. Now you get a save dialog box. You just type your file name. You just type your file name. Welcome. I type welcome. Now I am going to click save button. Okay, now I click save button. See in your title here, welcome is changed. Okay, now I am going to close your document. So go to file, click close. Your file is closed. Okay, now I want to open the file, means click open. Select welcome and then click open button. Now your file is opening. Okay, thank you students.